All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges in Chennai, let's talk about Easwari Engineering College. It's an autonomous institution located in Ramapuram. And for all you students and parents navigating the counseling process, make a note. The TNEA Code is 1304. So what's one of the first things you should know? It's this number, 7. Easwari Engineering College has 7 of its core undergraduate engineering programs accredited by the NBA. That's the National Board of Accreditation. This is a really strong sign of quality and academic standards, and we'll come back to this. So, here's what we're going to cover in this quick overview. We'll start with the basics of the institution, then dive into those all-important accreditations. We'll look at the specific engineering programs offered, the placement numbers, and then the practical stuff, hostels, transport, and available scholarships. Okay, first things first. Let's get a clear picture of the college with a quick overview of its identity. So, what is Easwari Engineering College really? Well, it's a self-financing college, and it's autonomous, which means it has more control over its curriculum and exams, even while being affiliated to Anna University. It's managed by the Valiame Society, which is part of the well-known SRM group. For admissions, it's through TNEA, with a standard 65% for the government quota and 35% for the management quota. It's also a co-ed campus and holds a linguistic minority status for Telugu speakers. Now, let's talk about something that's absolutely crucial for both students and parents: accreditation. This is basically the official stamp of approval that tells you the college meets certain quality standards. First off, the college is fully approved by the AICTE, the All India Council for Technical Education, for the upcoming academic year 2025-26. And when it comes to the national assessment by NAAC, the college has been awarded an A grade. To be precise, that's an A grade, with a strong CGPA of 3.08 out of 4. This accreditation is valid well into 2026, so it's a very current and relevant measure of quality. And remember that number 7 from the beginning? Here it is. 7 of the main BE programs here have that NBA Tier 2 accreditation, and it's valid until June 2026. We're talking about the core branches: automobile, civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, and mechanical. Having this accreditation for so many foundational branches is a really positive sign. All right, so what can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the BE and B.Tech programs that are available for the next admission cycle. To give you an idea of the college's size, the total approved number of undergraduate seats is 2,010. And here's the full list of the 15 undergraduate programs you can choose from. As you can see, there's a really good mix of the traditional engineering disciplines and a lot of the newer, more specialized fields that are in high demand today. And speaking of what's new, you can tell the college is really focused on where technology is headed. They offer programs in AI and data science, AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, robotics, computer science, and business systems. These are exactly the kind of specializations that are catching the eye of top companies right now. Okay, let's get to the part everyone wants to know about. The big question: what about jobs? Let's look at the placement data to understand the kind of career outcomes you can expect. According to the official data the college submitted for TNEA, they have a reported placement percentage of 97%. The highest salary package offered to students in recent batches stands at 10 lakhs per annum. And to give you a more grounded, realistic view, the average package for the 2021-22 batch was 5.2 lakhs per annum. So you're seeing a consistent record here with very solid salary outcomes. Now let's switch gears and talk about the practical side of things, the day-to-day logistics of student life, like hostels and transport. So yes, the college does have separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls. The mess caters to different dietary needs, with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options. They also have a college transport facility available for students. And for commuters, a useful piece of info, the nearest railway station is Guindy, about 5 kilometers away. Now this is a big one, especially for parents. There is a 24-hour multi-specialty hospital located right there within the campus. Having that kind of medical support on site is a major point of reassurance. And finally, let's quickly go over the financial support options. We'll look at the scholarships that are available for eligible students. The college helps students access several government scholarship schemes. This includes the postmetric scholarships for SC/ST students, scholarships for BC and MBC students, and importantly, fee concessions if you are a first-generation graduate. All of these, of course, are as per the prevailing government norms. Just a quick note, All the information we've shared today is based on the data we gathered from the college's own official website and from trusted government portals at the time we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.